This is the deicer system that works very well to get the deicer motor below the water and creates no disturbance on top, yet it does the job effectively. There's two major pieces. This is a 21-foot section of 1-inch pipe with a block at the end. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. The block keeps the end of the pipe off the bottom of the lake. The other piece is down here. This is a section of 2-foot, 1.5-inch plastic pipe with the deicer motor clamped to it. The first thing I'll do is put the trolley pipe out into the lake, like this. And I'll leave a little extra here on shore. So, if you look at this motor, there are 2 lines attached to it, plus the power cord. One line will keep the deicer motor from sliding too far out. The other one will keep it from spinning at startup. So the first action is to just put this on and start sliding it out. Make sure you don't let the ropes disappear. Okay, that went pretty far out. I can bring it back in if I want, which I'll do a little bit. I will then attach the cleat here and the rope, and also keep the trolley in place the same way. So the deicer is down the trolley now. I'm about to use the side rope here to keep it from spinning. I'll pull this over here to the side, and I'll cleat it off over here. And now the exciting part. We'll plug it in and see what happens. The force of the electric motor working the propeller keeps the deicer out there. You can see down here on the water that warm water from the bottom of the lake is being brought in here to shore where it surfaces. That will keep it from freezing because warm water does not freeze. Some people think the point of this is to agitate the water. That's not true. You've seen a frozen waterfall. This point is to bring in the warm water, and you don't need very much of it. And look, it's not splashing. It's nice and quiet. Doesn't bother the neighbors. It's the way to go. This is optional, but boy is it nice to have. This is a timer and a thermostat. You set the temperature here, so there's no reason for your deicer to be on a 40-degree day. And then you can, over this point, set out how often the deicer comes on. So in this particular setting, it's on for one 15-minute section every hour. In the beginning of the season, when things are really freezing fast, you can change that, have it come on more frequently by just pulling out these pins. Now, these devices are not inexpensive, but they pay for themselves in about 3 or 4 years. But more than that, you'll feel better because you're not wasting electricity and creating unnecessary noise for your neighbors when it's not needed.